Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play LittleBigPlanet. First, understand that LittleBigPlanet is a beloved platforming and creation game. You can enjoy it across several PlayStation consoles, including the PlayStation 3, PlayStation 4, and PlayStation Vita. Each platform offers a slightly different, yet equally engaging, way to experience the imaginative world of Sackboy and his friends. To start playing, you'll need to acquire a copy of the game. For PlayStation 3 and Vita, physical discs are a common option. Digital versions are also available through the PlayStation Store on your console. Sometimes, you can find bundles that include extra content, offering even more value. Ensure you get the correct version for your preferred PlayStation system. While the online servers for LittleBigPlanet 1 and 2 are no longer active, you can still enjoy online features with LittleBigPlanet 3. This includes playing community-made levels and sharing your own creations. Many dedicated fan communities exist online, offering a vibrant space to discover new content, connect with other players, and participate in community events. LittleBigPlanet's core motto is play, create, share. The game provides incredibly robust tools for designing your own levels, customizing your Sackboy, and building unique objects. Once your masterpiece is complete, you can easily share it with the global LittleBigPlanet community. Dive into an endless supply of user-generated content and let your imagination run wild.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.